Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off email notifications for direct messages on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest web update on your PC. If you're tired of seeing constant email alerts every time someone sends you a message, this quick guide will help you stop them once and for all. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're on your homepage, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see several icons there. Click on Notifications. This is where all your alerts and updates are managed. Now, look for the Settings option inside your Notifications section and click on it. This will open your notification preferences, where you can control how and when X notifies you about new interactions. Next, navigate to Preferences. Inside Preferences, choose Push Notifications. Don't worry if you see a few different types listed here. We're going to focus on one specific setting. Scroll down until you find the section called Related to You and Your Posts. Under this section, you'll see various toggles for likes, mentions, reposts, and direct messages. To stop receiving those email alerts for DMs, simply uncheck or turn off the box next to direct messages. That's it. You've successfully turned off email notifications for direct messages on X for the web version. From now on, you'll still get your messages in your inbox on X, but you won't receive any extra notifications in your email every time someone sends you one. This small tweak can make your online experience much cleaner and quieter, especially if you get a lot of messages or use X for work. It also helps keep your inbox from being flooded with unnecessary updates. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to like the video and share it with someone who might be dealing with the same issue. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips and easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.